I have to hear one more B-body owner tell me about his Corvette motor, I'm gonna scream. They're not Corvette motors.
It's an LT1, bro. They're all the same.
Dude, the 6-liter in my dad's work truck's basically an LS3. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MSCE077. This is our 1995 Chevrolet Corvette. 105,000 miles on this LT1 here that we are going to be selling as a dropout or a swap, so to speak. You will get the motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU and harness. This is an actual Corvette LT1. B-body owners, you could get an upgrade and you could actually say that you have a Corvette LT1. If I have to hear one more B-body owner tell me about his Corvette motor, I'm gonna scream. They're not Corvette motors.
It's an LT1, bro. They're all the same.
Dude, the 6-liter in my dad's work truck's basically an LS3, besides all the missing horsepower and the whole aluminum versus iron. But
it would be an LS2.
it's a 6-liter. No, it's an LS. No, it's the baby of it. Exactly. This is not a Corvette, or this is a Corvette LT1. Anyways. Moving right along, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Start that off, we'll let it run for a minute. Cluster is smoked in this bad boy. We did get it to light up once. It's got 105,000 on it. Would you listen to that? Just listen to it. Nice and smooth run in there. Take a walk around here and I'll pop the dipstick out. Clean oil. Trans fluid. Not too shabby as well. Not bright pink, but not burnt or dirty at all. Should be no problems with this. No head gasket issues. Nice and quiet, guys. Nothing to hide here on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hood down while I let this thing, I gotta go over here. We're gonna let it warm up. I'll step inside and put the bad boy into gear. The shifter was being finicky earlier. All right. Hood's got some damage, but we did put it in inventory. We will have a pair of left and right headlights. The motors aren't working at the moment, but we're gonna figure that out. Parking lights are in good condition along with the turns. This does have a nice set of saw blade wheels. We may recondition these or get them for sale, but these things are pretty freaking cool. If you're a Typhoon owner, man, this is the upgrade you're gonna want. All right, let's step inside here. The power seat is not working on the driver's side, so we're gonna get that thing torn down for parts. Driver's door panel's in good condition. Here is the awkward part of the video when you get to watch me get inside of a Corvette. Almost. Oh, this is terrible. Why do old men like these things? All right, we are inside. This thing's kind of cool. Targa glass, decent condition. Radio, let's see if that works. Where's the darn power on this thing? There we go.
This is your car. You pay for what you...
Alright, looks like the radio's working. Now climate control needs rebuilt. Yeah, we're charging there. Alright, moving along, dash is in good condition. Passenger door panel, we'll get that listed for sale. I'm gonna go ahead and test out the transmission here. Reversing gauges. Yep. driving gauges. This should do a little burnout. We're not going to do it though. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shut this thing down here. I think I made enough of a mess. Just wanted to see if she still got it. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. Oh. Wow. That is not graceful, dude. There is just no way to make that look good. Mason's like even taller than me by a solid inch. It's just really funny watching a giraffe try to get out of this thing. That is going to wrap it up for MSCE077, our 1995 Chevrolet Corvette, which is not a factory color of orange, despite what the buyer of this says, because she was redone. Oh yeah. You guys let us know in the comments down below why the RPO code says she's green and this bad boy's green, because the buyer who's watching this video clearly told us all that this is a factory orange C4 Corvette. But if you guys are looking for any parts off this bad boy, I'll leave a link in the description below to our website, www.jnjautorecking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Remember, check your RPO codes. Thanks for watching.